2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E overview. The past and the future collide on the 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E, which is inspired by the automaker's unmistakable pony car and powered exclusively by electricity. Although it shares a name and familiar styling cues with the Mustang, the all-electric crossover otherwise is completely unrelated. With two available battery sizes and either rear or all-wheel drive, Ford says the Mach-E can provide up to 305 miles of driving range, which helped it earn an Editor's Choice Award and our first-ever EV of the Year award. Its 5-passenger cabin is fitted with contemporary features and cutting-edge infotainment options, as well as some unique cargo and storage solutions. While purists might call an electric Mustang crossover sacrilegious, Ford expects the name and design adaptation to increase interest and help sell a lot of copies of the 2021 Mach-E. What's new for 2021? The 2021 Mustang Mach-E is Ford's first all-electric crossover, and it was designed and named after the company's iconic pony car. The Mach-E also pays homage to the Mach 1 moniker that has been used on high-performance Mustangs of old. Ford said it went with the name because it needed the electrified crossover to be as desirable as a Tesla to usher in its new era of electric vehicles. When the 2021 Mustang Mach-E finally goes on sale, we'd choose the premium model. It's rated at 305 miles of driving range when paired with the extended range battery and rear-wheel drive, but we'd still choose the all-wheel drive version, which knocks its estimated range down to 270 miles. Compared with the base model, the Mach-E Premium has more powerful fast charging capability, 19-inch wheels, a Band & Olufsen sound system, a panoramic sunroof, and a power liftgate. Engine, transmission, and performance. The 2021 Mustang Mach-E is available with either a standard range 75.7 kWh, 68 of which are usable, battery, or an extended range 98.8 kWh, 88 are usable, pack. These feed an electric motor mounted on the rear or both axles. That latter combination creates all-wheel drive, and on the sporty GT and GT Performance models, the motors combine to make 480 horsepower and up to 634 pound-feet of torque. Ford claims this will send the Mach-E GT Performance from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Less powerful models make between 266 and 346 horses and between 317 and 428 pound-feet. The Mach-E rides on wheels that range in size from 18 to 20 inches, and it can be had with adaptive dampers for adjustable ride firmness. Now that we've driven an extended range, all-wheel drive model, we're happy to report that it's quick and better to drive than most ordinary crossovers. However, drivers shouldn't expect the Mach-E to be nearly as engaging as the traditional Mustang. Its quiet operation and super smooth ride were most impressive. Range, charging, and battery life. The 2021 Mustang Mach-E has an EPA estimated range of between 211 and 305 miles, depending on the battery pack and type of electric motors, which isn't nearly as impressive as the rangiest Tesla models. Every model also has fast charging capability. Every Mach-E comes out of the box with a Ford mobile charger that can add up to 30 miles of range per night with a 120-volt outlet and up to 80% of battery life overnight with a 240-volt outlet. A Ford charge station can also be ordered online and installed by certified electricians, with the ability to replenish 32 miles per hour and recharge the battery overnight. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The range-topping Mustang Mach-E with rear-wheel drive and the extended range battery boasts an EPA estimated range of 305 miles. The all-wheel drive version with the extended battery has an estimated driving range of 270 miles. However, there are a wider variety of ranges depending on the model and equipment, so we won't know its real-world efficiency until we can run one on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Mustang Mach-E's battery is located under the floor of the car, which allows for maximum cargo and passenger space. Unlike its exterior, the inside of the Mach-E has little in common with the regular Mustang. Its streamlined dashboard hosts an attractive digital gauge cluster and is dominated by a huge vertically mounted touchscreen. A floating, flip-up armrest on the center console allows a purse or other items to be stored between the front seat passengers. There are also many slick features that include customizable ambient interior lighting, heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, wireless charging, a panoramic sunroof, and more. The front trunk is made of durable plastics that can be rinsed and then drained, which allows storing ice and messy things. The Mach-E has 29 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, and up to 60 with the back seats. Folded infotainment and connectivity. Ford's next-generation Sync infotainment system uses machine learning to fully customize each driver's experience. Currently it supports 3 driver profiles and 1 guest. The 2021 Mustang Mach-E runs the software through a vertically mounted 15.5-inch touchscreen that allows for easy access to the system's array of apps and features. A benefit of the system is that Ford will roll out over-the-air updates over time, constantly improving the system and adding new content. Top features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot, and a Bang & Olufsen audio system. Safety and driver assistance features. The 2021 Mustang Mach-E is available with a wide array of driver assistance technology. For more information about the Mach-E's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include available forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, available blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, available lane departure warning and lane keeping assist. 1. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Ford's current limited and powertrain warranty are competitive albeit unspectacular. We also expect the company to cover the Mach-E's electrical components for 8 years or 100,000 miles, but complimentary maintenance isn't included. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Electric components covered for 8 years or 100,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.